Hello everyone, welcome back with me. So I'm back with another video, of course still about digital literacy, but specifically in this video I'm going to talk about social media, cyberbullying, and also local wisdom. So basically in this video I'm going to share one of the activities that you can do or you can implement in your class. So we are going to emphasize a value on the local wisdom, cyberbullying by using the social media. So let's check this out. Okay, so first it's about social media. So I think in this digital era, there's no anyone who doesn't know about what social media is. And we also know really well that social media can offer us with a lot of beneficial things. For example, social media can help us to communicate with someone. We can share something easily. We also can seek for beneficial information such as job opportunities and many other benefits. Aside of those bunch of benefits in having a social media, however, social media also can be used negatively. So social media also can be used as a tool to harass someone, mocking someone, or embarrass someone. So basically, we also can use social media negatively, and this is what we call as a cyberbullying. So cyberbullying is when we use the technology to do something negatively in cyberspace. So basically we do some kind of bullying in cyberspace. So that is why we call it as a cyberbullying. And then for those people who receive cyberbullying, it really can cause negative impacts such as stress, anxiety, or even mental issues. So this is a really important issue that we need to discuss further. In other words, we as a teacher, so it's really important for us to emphasize our students as they are young generations and also a digital native to use their social media wisely. So we can emphasize the students to use their social media to share something positive activity. So in this case, we can emphasize the students to share their experience in local wisdom. As we know as well, the local wisdom has been inhibited by young generations or by young students now or in this digital era. So it's good for us to emphasize the students to share their experience in doing a local wisdom by using social media. Alright, so then how can we integrate social media, local wisdom, but also emphasizing on cyberbullying value here? Okay, so here I would like to share an activity that you may implement in your class, especially for secondary students. So first, we can give the students tasks to make an experience about the local wisdom. So in here, the students can freely choose what kind of activity related to the local wisdom that they want to do. So they can share their experience in wearing traditional clothes maybe, or singing traditional songs, in doing traditional games, or in joining local wisdom activities. So in here, the students freely choose what kind of experience they want to do. Okay. Later on, the students will upload in the social media. It can be in form of the picture or short video. Okay, next, then for the material, one of the suitable material that you may use in this activity is asking and giving opinion. So in here, before you give or assign your students about tasks, before they upload their task of experiencing local wisdom, you have to teach your students how to ask and also how to give an opinions politely, because in here we are going to express our opinion in social media. So we have to really emphasize how the students can express their opinion politely and also wisely in the social media. Okay, so after you ensuring the students have understood about how to ask and also how to give opinion politely in social media, and then you can assign your students to upload their pictures, their short videos about the local wisdom on their social media, for example on their Instagram. And then we can ask the students to give comments, which is their opinions, on their friends' posts. So in here, we have to check whether the students have already gave their comments politely, have already asked about opinion politely in the social media. So by doing this kind of activity, we can emphasize to our students that they have to use their social media wisely and also politely, in terms of if they want to share something, if they want to write something, so, either their opinion or their ideas, they have to be polite and also wise. This awareness of the students can prevent the risk of cyberbullying that we have discussed before, and also we emphasize that the students can use social media as a tools to share something positive, one of which is their local wisdom. Alright, so that's all about my video. I hope that the activity that I share in this video can be used as a references for you in conducting the learning activity, by also emphasizing on cyberbullying value, local wisdom, and also digital literacy. Yes, thank you for watching and bye bye.